Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of one of the what we call this Mi Home Security Camera 360. Yeah, okay. So says here resolution 720p. Dimensions 115 millimeters by 78 by 78. Lens angle 100.4 degrees. That's the model number. Weight is 239. Wireless connectivity Wi-Fi BGN at 2.4 gigahertz. Device support running Android 4.0 and iOS. Okay. So we're gonna open it up. So, price-wise, I think I remember this is around 1,500 something sa Xiaomi store, no? Nga pala guys, FYI, two authorized Xiaomi stores have been opened already in the Philippines as of this year. One is in Trinoma, 4th floor. The next one is in Mega Mall Cyberzone, 4th floor. Okay. It looks like you can move it, or it moves by itself. It looks like it's made to be put on top of something. There's a power, I guess. A reset button. Okay, reset button. That's the power cord there in the back. Okay. This is where you put the micro SD. Okay. Inside the box is the base plate for this one. Okay. And the charger and the power cord. Okay. Wall charger. We're not gonna use that anymore. Okay. We have our own power cables that are over here right beside us. Okay. That should still work. So we're gonna plug it in. Now see it's the yellow light already. Okay. I assume this works with the Mi Home app. Okay. As you can see in the bottom, meron silang automation. I use the Mi Home app also for the Wi-Fi extenders that I use. Okay. So it's scanning. Oh, see, it's moving around. Oh, it's looking. Oh my god, this is scary. Okay, it's found the camera. Okay, so let's set it up. Plug the device in and follow the manual to operate. Wait until you hear hold the reset button for 3 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's still yellow.
Initializing.
Okay, so it's gonna it's become full yellow na siya, no? It's not blinking anymore. Switching for Wi-Fi. Okay. Scan QR code with camera. With this camera? Come here!
Scan QR code to add account. Waiting for connection.
Which camera? So, yun, finally.
Successfully added account successfully.
So, finally, we've been able to scan it properly, no? So, itatapat mo talaga siya. Hintayin mo siyang umikot-ikot. Tapos, pag tumigil, gano'n, saka may tapat yung, yan. So, you see, it's blue na. So, that means connected to the Wi-Fi. Finally. Okay? Connected. Okay, shortcut. Creating. Okay, so there's the app for the camera. You open it now. Okay, agree. So press and rotate camera angle slightly. Oh. Okay. So yun oh, guling oh, gumagalo. More. Oh, ang galing oh. Hmm. 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 Hi. So, you can set the HD quality, auto, low, video quality. Namatay. So yun. Oop. So nag-feedback siya, no? Okay, I turned off the volume. Okay, so yun, para mag-minimize siya. Okay. Pause. Play. What's this? Hello! So, pwede ka din magsalita. Parang yung sa ano, no? Smart 360. You can record. I don't know where it's gonna save. Maybe on my phone. Okay. So, nag-record siya, hindi siya pwedeng switch daw. Okay. So, you can actually save. Oh, it's saved. So, diba? Okay. What's this? You can turn on home guard. Home guard always keeps an eye on your home. When home guard is on, the camera will record video and send notifications to you in cases motion. Oh, detected 7 days. What? Okay. What's this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Folders. So you can put SD cards. You can pause your. So kita hindi na siya nag-record, diba? Nothing's gonna change. Play. It cannot rotate 360. Ano, nakalimit na siya. Okay. Nothing I can do here na. Nagalit na. Okay. O, ikot ka na. Okay. See? Okay. So, settings, I assume this one. Camera settings, status light, you can turn on. Wide angle, night vision, meron din siya. Okay. Calibration. Okay. Detection settings, okay. Storage settings, general settings, okay, you can change the name, okay, password, So that's it guys. Ang ganda no. Mukhang it's okay. My only ano doon dito is it's not it's only 720p pero it's cool, di ba? Oh. So thanks for watching. Mag-edit na naman tuloy ako. Bye guys.